Hi, I'm Emma, and welcome to the Dish POS app. In this tutorial, we show you how to adjust the stock information of a product. First, open the menu. Then select Inventory. You are now in the overview of your products. Select the product which you want to adjust the stock information of. A new pop-up will then be displayed to enter the new stock. Use the input field to set the new stock. If the stock needs to be reset daily, enable the corresponding slider. Then confirm your changes by tapping on OK. To remove the stock setting of a product, long press on the corresponding product. A new pop-up will appear asking you if you'd like to remove the stock setting. To do so, tap on OK. That's it. You completed the tutorial and now know how to adjust the stock information of a product.